What's up, guys? This is Preston from Exotic Car Blacklist, and we are about to unleash this raffle. So first, let's make our Instagram video live. So those of you seeing this right now, also gonna see this on my story. So those on the story gonna see this. Y'all know what I'm trying to say. All right, let's go ahead and do this now. So we are officially, this is on Instagram, y'all. We are officially about to reveal the winner of this raffle, guys. I know y'all been waiting for this. Everybody's been asking me. I've been getting DMs on this. Officially time to pick this winner. So this is how we're gonna do it. So guys, come back tomorrow so you can see this. The winner will be notified tomorrow and the video will go out tomorrow. Come back tomorrow to see who wins. We are about to unleash this raffle now. I'm about to go ahead and start recording my screen down here so you guys can see everything that I do. But man, thank you for everybody who jumped into this raffle. I actually had a better turnout than I thought I would have. So this raffle was actually a success in my book, honestly. I hit my number that I wanted to hit and I actually surpassed it. Thank you to everybody that entered the raffle. This is probably your greatest chance of getting an Xbox for $15. And those of you who bought multiple tickets, even if you bought 5, you're still gonna come out cheaper than going to buy the Xbox in the store. So we are now about to do the raffle live. Live is right here, right now on YouTube is what I mean by live. My screen is gonna be recorded so you guys can see there's no foolishness going behind the scenes. So here we go with this raffle. Again, this is for our Xbox Series S, and I need to stop shaking it because this is somebody's present right here. And if you win the raffle, if it's your name and you don't want it, let me know. I'd be more than happy to take this off your hands, but I'm pretty sure you do want it, which is why you entered. Again, thank you guys. Thank you for all my subscribers that have been with me from day one. I had people hit me up in the DMs and like, you know, they've been with me since 200 subscribers. Thank you dearly. Everybody that's new to the channel, I give away shit. That's where we at now. So welcome to the channel. Please leave me a comment. Please leave me a like. Subscribe to me if you have not subscribed. But leave me a comment and let me know what you guys would love to see, what you would like to see being given away next. Or what you would like to see gave away next is what I should say technically. So let's get this started. All right, so here's the big moment. We all want to know who won, especially me. I want to know who won. Here we go. Good luck to everybody. This is like the lottery right now. Except you're not winning $1 million, you win an Xbox, which is just as good. All right, so. All right, my screen is recording. Here we go, this is live. All right, so here we go. So you see my mouse moving on the screen right now. All right, let's see. So the parameters are gonna be 6:30 through 6:55 because that is order numbers right there. It started with number 6:30, ended with number 6:51, but I'm gonna put my max at 6:55 to give you guys a greater chance of winning. Kind of change the eyes up a little bit. All right, here we go, here we go. This is live. One click, here we go. Number 643, let's see who won. Okay, so there's not a 643. Randomly, there is not a 643. So here we go again. Let's hit this button one more time. The magic finger. 634. Congratulations, Eric Shields. Congratulations on winning the Xbox Series S. This is officially yours. If you are in Charlotte, I will deliver this to you and probably bring my camera and vlog the experience, man. Congratulations, Eric. This is yours. You officially won the Xbox Series S auction. If you don't live near me, I will get in contact with you. And what I would do is mail that bad boy to you. If you are in a surrounding state and you want me to deliver this thing to you, I will make a video bringing this to you. As long as it's not more than 6 hours, I will bring this thing to you. So congratulations, Eric, man. I'm happy for you. This is definitely well-deserved. You know, Merry Christmas, Happy Thanksgiving for sure. I'll definitely skip Thanksgiving there for a second. Happy Thanksgiving, Merry Christmas. If you guys want to see me giving away another Xbox, let me know. If you want to see me give another, if you want to see me give a PlayStation away, let me know. Games, even if you want to see me give ammo away, I can do that as well. So guys, let me know what you want me to do and I'll make it happen. Eric, congratulations again, my man. Salute to you. You just won an Xbox Series S for $15 in a $15 raffle. I don't know if you bought more than one ticket, but $15 raffle, you got an Xbox Series S. Congratulations. My last video we talked about Dodge killing off the Hellcats, which is crazy. You cannot get a Hellcat after the 23 year. Buy one now if you want one because they will inflate like crazy once they cut this production off for these gas-powered cars. Gas-powered cars will be worth a lot of money. So get them, hold on to them. They will be collector's items. Get them and hold on to them. You know what? I'm gonna ask you guys this. Let's have a real conversation for a second. I need you guys to comment below, seriously, because I've been debating on looking at another vehicle. Do you guys think that I should look at maybe replacing my Cayenne with a Hellcat? Do you guys think that I should look at a Red Eye? Do you guys think I should look at a Scat Pack? Like, what are your thoughts on this? Should I replace the Cayenne with the Hellcat? Not because anything is wrong with the Cayenne. The Cayenne is one of, if not the best vehicle that I've ever owned. Let's get that straight. There's nothing wrong with the Cayenne. The Hellcat is gonna be worth a lot of money one day, and I can keep that and hold on to it and have something that inflates probably times 3 the price of it right now. So that's one of my reasons for doing it. And then 2, I kind of miss that that whippery, right? So like the Cayenne is all-wheel drive, and the Hellcat is rear-wheel drive. So I kind of miss that aspect of it as well. That is the only reason, period, the only reason. So please do not get on here and bash my Cayenne. Please don't bash Porsche, period. So again, let me know what you guys think. I'm very curious. Cayenne, or do I do a Hellcat, or should I do a GT500? Like, these are kind of things I'm tossing up right now to go that direction. But yes, not to take away from Eric. Eric, congratulations again on your Xbox Series S. I will talk to you on Instagram, and if you want to do a live, I'll do that with you as well. So congratulations. I'll see y'all in the next raffle. Your boy's out. Peace.